Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have a 48-inch click ceiling fan. I got 4 of these on the side of the road along with a HPM ceiling fan. So one with no light kit, which is this one here, and the other 3 has light kits, but they don't have the shades. And these things do not come with any of the blades or the brackets, which is disappointing. So the blades I'm using for this is my Casablanca Delta fan blades. I'm not sure what the date is on it. I would assume this is from the early 2000s. But yeah. Let's start it up on low. This also has a back capacitor as well, so it's pretty slow and high. All this thing is just so cheap, but I got these fans I think it was 3 months ago now. Not gonna lie, these look pretty nice, from my opinion. So now we're gonna put it on to medium. I just got it on a 4 seasons 3-speed controller. And I'm gonna put it on high speed. It does hum quite a bit as well. And as you can see, it's pretty slow. It does push a pretty good amount of breeze with these Casablanca blades. Alright, now we're going to turn it off. I don't even know why I even grabbed these in the first place, but I grabbed them anyway. I'll probably use one as spare parts and leave the other 3 to be usable or something. The bearings are pretty good too. This thing was filthy when I got him, but I gave him a good clean, so it looked better now. Alright, now to stop, now we're going to do 0 $. They actually look nice with the Casablanca blades. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.